Today, I'll show you how to log into ClickUp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what information you need to enter so you can access your workspace quickly and without confusion. Let's start right from the beginning. To log into ClickUp, you'll first need to open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. This can be any modern browser you're comfortable with, such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. In the address bar at the top of the browser, type in clickup.com and press enter. Make sure you type it carefully so you land on the correct site. Once the page loads, you'll be on ClickUp's homepage. On the homepage, you'll see various options, but what you're looking for is the login button. This is usually located near the top right corner of the screen. Take a moment to look there, and you should see a button or link labeled Login. Go ahead and click that. After you click the login button, you'll be taken to the login page. This is where you'll enter your account details. On this page, you'll typically see fields where you can type in your email address and your password. Start by clicking into the email field and carefully entering the email address you used when you first created your ClickUp account. Double check for any typos, because even a small mistake in your email address can prevent you from logging in. Next, move down to the password field. Type in the password associated with your ClickUp account. As you type, you'll usually see the characters appear as dots or asterisks for security reasons, so take your time to make sure you're entering it correctly. Some login pages include an option to reveal the password temporarily with an eye icon. If that's available and you're in a private environment, you can use it to confirm you've typed your password correctly. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. On the same login page, you should see a link that says something like Forgot Password. You can click that and follow the instructions to reset it. This typically involves entering your email address, so ClickUp can send you a password reset link. Once your email and password are entered correctly, look for the button to continue. It will usually say something like login or sign in. Click that button. After a moment, if your details are correct, you'll be logged into your ClickUp account and taken to your workspace or dashboard. From here, you can start managing your tasks, projects, and everything else you use ClickUp for. If you plan to use ClickUp regularly on the same device, you might want to allow your browser to remember your login details as long as it's a trusted and secure device. This can save you time the next time you visit clickup.com. And that's all there is to it. You've gone to clickup.com, clicked the login option, and entered your details to access your account.